Have you ever wondered how digestion varies in different organisms? Well, let's find out. Hi, I'm a lactobacillus bacteria, and I produce enzymes such as carbohydrates, protease, lipase, and cellulase, which help break complex foods and digest externally as I'm extracellular. They break down starches into sugars, proteins into amino acids, and lipids into fatty acids, which can then pass through my membrane by diffusion and active transport and be stored as food granules for later use. My other friends are the photosynthetic cyanobacteria and the chemosynthetic bacteria that live in sea vents. Good day. I'm Euglena. I have a flagella to move and chloroplast to absorb sunlight and help make glucose in photosynthesis, although sometimes I resort to eating my friend the amoeba.
Hi guys, I'm an amoeba. I have pseudopodia to help me move and grow through phagocytosis, where nearby food like bacteria is engulfed and trapped in a vacuole to which a lysosome attaches that secretes enzymes, breaking my food down that is finally absorbed into my cytoplasm.
Fungi don't have any chlorophyll, and we are mostly saprotrophic. I produce hyphae that grow and surround dead and decaying organisms, releasing enzymes that compost it, which I then absorb. Delicious.
I'm a lovely sunflower, and my leaves have palisade cells that contain chloroplasts to absorb sunlight and vacuole to store my food. During the day, I take in carbon dioxide and water, and with the aid from sunlight, produce glucose and oxygen in photosynthesis. Even though I take in potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus through active transport from my roots. We humans eat food that gets mechanically and chemically digested in the alimentary canal, where each organ has special features. In the duodenum of the small intestine is where most of the digestion happens. Bile from the liver and gallbladder, as well as several enzymes from the pancreas, is ejected there. Most of the nutrients are absorbed in the jejunum of the small intestine by villi, where diffusion and active transport occur. So, looking at all the organisms, we can say a few features have been inherited and some evolved. We have inherited diffusion, moving of molecules from a high concentration to a lower one, active transport, the opposite of diffusion, producing enzymes, as well as all organisms being either autotrophic or heterotrophic. As organisms became more complex like humans, they required more energy and nutrients compared to something like a bacterium. Digestive systems also became more complex. Before, single cells carried out multiple functions, whereas now different organs have special functions. Different enzymes are also being produced, as well as different adaptations to digestion. Thank you.